ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
Good morning students. Already we discussed electrochemistry, what is electrolytic cell, electrochemical cell, and what is the difference between electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell, and next one is the explanation about galvanic cell. What is galvanic cell? Galvanic cell is the device which converts chemical energy to electrical energy, that is called galvanic cell. What is electrolytic cell? Electrolytic cell is the device which converts electrical energy to chemical energy, that is called electrolytic cell. After galvanic cell, what are the cell reactions, EMF and cell notation explained, and please see the videos. And next one is the Nernst equation. Nernst equation we can directly write down E is equal to, what is the formula? E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log product concentration by reactant concentration. You have to remember this formula. Based on this, the problems are given. What is E? Students, what is E? Electrode potential. What is E naught? Standard electrode potential. What is N? Number of electrons transferred to the given reaction. Here is the log products by reactants. How to derive this equation? Very easy only. Just write the from thermodynamic equation. What is the formula? Delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q from thermodynamics. From TD means the want of equation. From thermodynamics, delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. What is the Nernst equation? What is explain the Nernst? Nernst explain the relation between electrode potential or EMF, electrode potential, here write down electrode potential or EMF, electrode potential or EMF and concentration of electrolyte and concentration of electrolyte. This is the relation he explained. What is the relation? Electrolyte. The relation between electrode potential or cell potential or EMF and concentration of electrolyte. Concentration of electrolyte means product concentration and reactant concentration. Now write the student, what is the formula? Delta G is equal to, this is the equation number 1, write down. Now I am writing A, here is A, B and gives rise to C and D. Here what are the small a, small b, c and d? These are the stoichiometric coefficient. We can write Q is equal to, what is the formula? Product concentration by C concentration and D concentration by A concentration A and B concentration B. That is the Q. What is Q, students? Q means reaction quotient. Q is equal to reaction quotient. Remember, reaction quotient can be derived. Reaction quotient can be determined any time of the reaction, but equilibrium constant, only equilibrium condition only we can derive. And write the delta G is equal to, that is the equation number 1. Delta G is equal to minus NFE. This is the equation number 2. Next to delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught. That is equation number 3. Now equation number 2 and 3 and substitute the equation number 1. Equation number 2 and 3, these two equations, substitute the equation number 1. What will you get? Here write down minus NF E that is equal to minus NF E naught plus RT ln Q. ln Q. What is Q, students? Reaction quotient. Now write the above this equation dividing both side by minus NF. Dividing this equation, dividing both side by minus NF. Divide both side by minus NF. If you are dividing by both side minus NF means what is the equation? We'll get to E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q. E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q. Now write the natural log. Here I am writing the equation. Natural log here is ln converted to natural log to the base 10. Now write the what is R value? R is equal to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. And next one is what is the T? Time 298 Kelvin. What is the Faraday? 96,500 Coulomb. Now N is equal to any charge. N is equal to number of electron transferred. Now after E is equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT means 8.314 temperature 298 Kelvin. Okay now 2.303 nRT by here N into 96,500. Here is log to the base, here is Q, log to the base 10Q. Now after calculating 2.303 this value, total this value 2.303 into 8.314 into 298 by 96,500, that is equal to E is equal to E naught minus, we can write 0.059 by N log to the base 10 product. What are the product concentration? Product concentration means here I am writing product concentration, C concentration and D concentration की power D and A concentration की power A and B concentration की power B. This is the equation using for Nernst equation. Remember, for E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log to the base 10 product concentration by reactant concentration. Very simple, no confusion. Nernst equation. Nernst equation from thermodynamics, delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Now, what is the relation? Nernst explain electrode potential or EMF. What is EMF? The potential difference between two electrodes in a galvanic cell, that is called EMF. EMF and concentration of electrolyte. Write the one equation, that is the forward and backward reversible reaction. Here is A plus B gives rise to C plus D. This small a, small b, small d, what are the this is the stoichiometric coefficient. Now we can write the stoichiometric Q is equal to product concentration by reactant concentration. Now from thermodynamics, what is the equation suggested? Delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Now delta G value write down, delta G naught. Now substitute the values, these values, substitute this equation, will get minus NFE naught plus RT ln Q. But this equation, above this equation, divide both side by minus NF. Whenever minus dividing both side means minus NF cancel, here also minus NF. E is equal to E naught minus RT by NF ln Q. Here is ln Q means it is converted to natural log means it is 2.303, 8.314, and finally E is equal to E naught. It is useful for numericals, and thank you very much while watch my videos and comment it, subscribe it.